Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fatia Nurrohmah from Sarjana Wiyata Taman Siswa University, Yogyakarta. I will presenting the article with the title Implementation of Problem-Based Learning Model with Multimedia to Improve Learning Outcome of Pancasila Education in Grade 3 Student
of Mendungan 2 Elementary School, Yogyakarta.
In this 21 story life, students are required to have various skills that must be mastered. Achieving this important 21st century skill is done by developing a learning process of critical thinking, problem solving, metacognition, communication, collaboration, innovation and creativity, information literacy, and others. This shows that the learning process is not only a transfer of knowledge from teacher to student, but is an activity that involves many aspects, starting from student as actor who build their own knowledge. Teacher must also be able to plan learning, but from the selection of learning model, media, learning resources, and evaluation to measure the level of achievement of student learning outcome. Based on observation, information was obtained that teachers still use conventional method. Teachers have not until learning media, only a few students are active, students get bored easily during learning, and student learning outcomes are relatively low. To overcome the above problem, researchers feel the need for variation in learning activities with learning model that activates students. The problem-based learning model is one model that can be applied in Pancasila education learning, which is varied with multimedia to improve student learning outcome.
Next, method.
This research is a classroom action research conducted collaboratively between researchers and class teacher. The research procedure refers to the research proposed by Arikunto, which consists of 4 stages, namely 1. Planning, namely planning the action to be taken. 2. Implementation, namely action taken during learning using the applied model. 3. Observation, namely the stage of making observation during learning activities. And 4. Reflection, namely analyzing and evaluation activities that have been carried out. The subject of this research were 28 grade 3 students with 13 male students and 15 female students
at Mendungan 2 Elementary School, Yogyakarta.
The data used in this study are qualitative data obtained from information of observation data and interview regarding the implementation of Pancasila education learning by applying the problem-based learning model and quantitative data obtained from the result of learning Pancasila education. The data sourced in this study in grade 3 students. The data collection techniques used are observation, interview, and test. This research was conducted in 2 cycles with 4 meetings. This research is declared successful if the completion of learning outcome after implementing the problem-based learning model with multimedia as measured by student learning outcome test can reach a percentage of 25% with minimum completion criteria 17. Result and discussion. Based on the table, it can be seen that the completion of student learning outcome always increases from cycle 1 to cycle 2. The percentage of completion of student learning outcome in cycle 1 is 6.78% and in cycle 2 is 89.28%. The final result in cycle 2 have reached the specific target. Conclusion. Based on the result and discussion that have been described, the conclusion of this research is that the application of the problem-based learning model with multimedia can improve student Pancasila education learning outcomes at
Mendungan 2 Elementary School, Yogyakarta.
This is proven by the percentage of completeness of student learning outcome in cycle 1, which was 76.78% and increased in cycle 2 to 89.28%. Based on the research conducted, the research profits several suggestions, namely for students to be more focused and active in learning activities and increase their self-confidence and actively participate in learning so that learning takes place conducively and achieves maximum result. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.